Hey everyone, this is the bathroom safety rail. This is going to be an assembly and setup guide for this safety rail. So here's the box that you'll receive. Let's go through all the different pieces that you actually get and then how you put everything together. Okay, so start off, we get this main rail section right here, which just kind of swivels open like that. You're going to have that, and then you're going to have 4 of these feet sections. You're also going to get a couple smaller parts to put those together. You're going to get these 4 little wing nuts. You're also going to get 4 of these, what they're calling E-clamps. And there's going to be 4 hex bolts and then 4 little washers. Okay, so the first thing you do is, like I said, you're going to open this up like this. And now we're going to put the feet on each of these sections. Okay, so here are the feet. One really nice thing here is that they do actually have different numbered sections here to extend it. So whichever height we're going to want to use, it's nice to be able to choose a height that you like, and then you just use that for each one so you make sure that they're all even. So the first thing we're going to want to do is put these E-clamps on, and that's going to secure this main frame right here with each side so that it stays open. You can see there's a hole here. I already did the other ones. So you just slide it over into the hole and then click it into place. So the next thing we're going to do is install each of the 4 legs. And what we're going to want to do is, you can see right here, there's a little hex opening right here. So we're first going to slide this in. We're going to take our hex bolt, you can see right here, that's going to slide into here. And we're going to want to make sure that it's coming out the other side, just like that. And then what we do on the other side, we take a wing nut like this, and then a washer. You put the washer in here, this kind of lock washer, that goes there. And then the wing nut screws on right here. Just like that. And then you tighten this up. Pretty easy. So you won't have to hold this in place because this is going to stay in place because it has the little hex opening there. So once you do that, I'll go through and do each of the other ones and then show you where I'm at. Okay, so finishing up this last one here. That one's all tightened. So now, as you can see, everything is in place. So to adjust the height of this, each of the legs have a number from 1 to 7. Once you decide which height you think is the right height for you, you can try the different heights. So if you do It's definitely nice when they have the numbers on here. So if we do 3 and we just put 3 on each of them so that it'll be level. And there we go. And then it's all set. We'll put this in place and then we're ready to go. Thanks for watching.